Back with another video. I'm in the process of making, I'm sorry about the lighting, hold on for a second. See, is that a little, that's a little better. I'm in the process of making a peach cobbler dump cake. I'd already have gotten started, but I wanted to come in and show you guys what I was doing. I got this recipe off of Pinterest. Got this recipe off Pinterest. So what I've already done, let me show you what I've already done. If you can see it, I already have added cinnamon, nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla extract, a can of peaches. These are fresh peaches that I had in some brown sugar in my refrigerator, so I added those in because it had its own syrup. And then I added this can of peaches, just a little teeny bit of it. And now I'm in the process of putting this right here, this cake mix on top. So here we go. I just wanted to come in and show you guys what I was doing. Let's see, hope you can see. Okay, I got the rest of the cake mix. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to splatter it on top. Coat the whole top with the cake mix. Move this spatula out the way. Get this side. So what I'm doing is putting the whole pack of cake mix on top of the okay. So I've gotten the, well, that's a little bit more in there. Come on. I got the whole pack of cake mix on. So now you see, and so what I'm doing now, I'm going to layer it. So it's going to be all the way flat. This is what I'm doing. I'm layering it. Put a little bit on that side. I want to even it out so when it bakes it can be even. So let's see. Okay. So you guys see. So now what I'm about to do now, I'm going to take handy dandy butter, my knife that I had earlier, and I'm going to put it on top. I already put the oven on 375. It's already been preheated. So what I'm going to do, we're going to slice it really thin. Ooh, well, that fell on top, and just put it all the way on top. And I'll come back and show you when I finish this part. Okay guys, I finished layering the whole stick of butter on top. As you can see, I think I want to move this one over here. Make sure it has plenty of butter. So now I'm about to stick it in the oven on 375 for I believe 35 minutes. If it's not ready, then I'll leave it there a little longer. So let's get it in the oven. Set it on 35 minutes. Okay guys, I'll be back once it's done and do a taste test. Okay guys, it's all done. Let me show you how it looks. Cut some light on. Here it is. I just took it off the oven. It's all bubbly. As you can see, look at that little bubbles coming out of there. But anyway, guys, I will be back with a taste test to let you know how it tastes. I end up leaving it in there 45 minutes because at 35 minutes, to me, it didn't seem like it was done. So I left it in there extra 10 more minutes. So we're a total of 45 minutes on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Anyway, I'll be back with the taste test. Okay, guys, the cobbler dump cake is ready. It's already been warm. I'm not showing myself because I came in from work and got comfortable. And so now we're going to do a taste test. So let's get started. It's like an apple crisp, it looked like to me. So let's get a little bit, put it in my bowl. Alright, now we're going to do a taste test. Alright, let's do a taste test. Here we go. This is so good. Oh my God, this is so good. You guys have got to try this. It's so good. All I need is some vanilla ice cream. But anyway, you guys be blessed. See you in the next video.